And a good day, everybody. My name is Jewel. Thanks for checking out the weather with me today on Monday, the 16th of December, 2019. If you're into the weather or weather-related content, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and then check off all. I would appreciate it so very much. Starting now today, we've got the severe categorical outlook, and I talked about this in last evening's forecast. It's changed some, and it's got a little higher in places. Seems that scattered to severe thunderstorms are forecast beginning around midday over Louisiana and peaking during the late afternoon and evening from northeast Louisiana into central Mississippi and into Alabama later tonight. Now, tornadoes and damaging winds, my friends, are the primary hazards with this system that's coming through, and the chance of tornadoes have gone up now. Yesterday they were 5%. Now, right in this section of Louisiana and Mississippi, it's up to 10%, 5% surrounding it for most of Louisiana, a lot of Mississippi, a little bit of Alabama. Everything else on the outskirts is at a 2% chance. Now, when we look at the wind, that wind is up to a 30% chance of being very severe in the same area of Louisiana and also Mississippi, with that little section of Alabama in there where the tornadoes could pop up. That's what it's looking like. So I'm not saying you're going to have a tornado, but I am saying if you live down south in any of these regions, you need to be aware of your skies for today. Now, so far as hail, it's only at 15% right in this area. But this is what it's looking like for severe weather today. If it gets too bad, I'll try to keep my eyes on it if I possibly can. If it starts to pop up and get too bad, I will go live and we will put out some things of what's going on and when it's happening. Now, as we look at the watches and warnings map for today, boy, we've got a big swath of snow. That covers a lot of real estate, don't it, folks? Now, everything in the blue is winter weather advisories. Where you do see the pink, this is winter weather storms warnings, okay? So this is what this looking like. Looking like we're going to get snow over from Colorado, northern New Mexico, all the way across over into Massachusetts. Boston's looking like maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. The heavier snow, of course, is going to be in Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Everything else I've kind of checked out. We got a lot of freezing rain that's going to get mixed up into a lot of stuff also, my friends. Plus, we do have light snow. I don't think a lot will accumulate. We'll check out down in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and see what that looks like. You can see that you guys in New Jersey, in the Cherry Hill, Morristown, Mount Holly, you see all the cities up here. You're under a winter weather advisory in effect from 7 a.m. this morning until around 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, mixed precipitation is expected. Total snow accumulations of up to maybe 1 inch and ice accumulations of a light glaze. I don't know if you're really going to get that 1 inch. You may not, but one thing for sure, you're probably going to get some ice in it. And this is for Delaware and Philadelphia counties and Pennsylvania also. Now, you're going to have slippery road conditions, hazardous conditions for commuting wherever you have to go. So please slow down and stay safe. Now, if you're in portions of central and east central Missouri and south central and southwest Illinois, you guys are going to get a little more of this stuff. You're under a winter storm warning in effect until midnight tonight. You can get some heavy mixed precipitation with accumulations of 3 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Once again, this is in portions of central and east central Missouri and south central and southwest Illinois until midnight tonight. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible at times today, and this is going to cause rapid accumulation on the roads and treacherous driving conditions. Please, please, please stay safe. Now as we truck on over to Oklahoma, well, places like Miami, Oklahoma, you can see the places right up here in these areas that are affected by this winter weather advisory, and you're under it until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Now, areas of freezing drizzle and a few pockets of light freezing rain. This is nasty stuff, folks. It's going to develop through the morning hours, mixing with snow by the afternoon hours. Now, it's just going to cause a big mess. The ice accumulations could be up to 1/10 of an inch, especially across northeast Oklahoma, with snow accumulations of up to 1/2 inch. That's going to be possible very near the Kansas border. Now, here you see right here, for the counties, this is going to be happening in Oklahoma. Once again, you are under this winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. this evening. Now we're going to move over to Indiana. You can see everybody that is included in this winter weather advisory. Winter weather advisory now in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. Then you got a winter storm warning in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon till 7 a.m. tomorrow. Now, the winter storm warning is like for periods of moderate to heavy snow for this afternoon through tonight. Some light mixed precipitation is possible. Additional snowfall accumulations 3 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts possible. This is all expected this afternoon and tonight. Now, this combined with the snow that fell last night, it's going to bring your storm totals in the vicinity of anywhere from 5 to 9 inches. Light ice accumulations are also possible, and for the winter weather advisory, mixed precipitation is expected. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. This is for portions of central, east central, southwest, and west central Indiana. This winter storm warning again from 2 p.m. this afternoon till 7 a.m. tomorrow. Winter weather advisory 2 p.m. this afternoon. Please be safe. Drive slow. If you're out in all of this nastiness, if you have to be, make sure you've got a blanket, food, water, flashlights, whatever you need if you get stuck. Now let's check out the NAM map, see what's happening today through Wednesday the 18th. I'm going to turn this on right quick. You can see the timestamp as it moves through. Now we got a low pressure system. It's developing along a sharp front over the deep south, and it's going to continue to spread this wintry precipitation from the central plains to the northeast during the next couple of days. Now, to begin, heavy snow continues to fall across parts of southern Colorado as this upper level trough passes through the region. The upper level trough is also responsible for invigorating another round of snow across the central plains. Meanwhile, this swath of wintry precipitation that I just showed you is associated with the downstream disturbance is now spreading into the central Appalachians and the interior northern mid-Atlantic. Now, as the upper level trough over the Rockies moves quickly into the central plains and interacts with the sharp front, more wintry precipitation is expected to quickly expand across the mid-Mississippi Valley today and then move into the northeast tomorrow. There's still a little bit of uncertainty regarding the track of this intensifying low-pressure system, though, and this will determine how far south the wintry precipitation will develop over the northeast. Nevertheless, southern New England can expect snow to gradually change over to rain today, while mixed precipitation or freezing rain is expected further inland. Interior New England will likely see all snow lasting from tonight through tomorrow. Although the low will quickly move away from the northeast tomorrow night, we got a weaker system that's going to drop southeastward across the Great Lakes, leading to development of that lake effect snow, which could pull across interior New England into tomorrow morning. Don't forget, we've got these severe storms down around the Gulf states that could also happen today. And We do have those Santa Ana winds over here in California. We're going to put this up here and turn this back on, let it run through some for today, but they shouldn't cause any fire danger at this time. Now, if you live along the coastline of North Carolina down through Florida, it's going to warm up today. Hoo-wee! We're going to be in the upper 60s, maybe 70s, but by tomorrow night, we're going to have like a 40-degree drop. If you have arthritis, look out, my friends. It's going to be a mess. You're going to know it before it gets here. So that's a check of your weather today. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to all. And I almost forgot.